Swisspod expands U.S. presence with new manufacturing and assembly facility, a game changer in Hyperloop innovation. Swisspod Technologies, a trailblazing Swiss-American transportation company, is doubling down on its vision for the future of high-speed sustainable travel. With its bold move to establish a manufacturing and assembly facility in the United States, Swisspod is not only accelerating the Hyperloop revolution, it's placing itself at the forefront of an emerging trillion-dollar industry. This pivotal development signals a turning point for transportation infrastructure and innovation in North America, and it invites close scrutiny and excitement from investors, engineers, policymakers, and futurists alike. In this comprehensive pillar post, we'll explore every facet of Swisspod's U.S. expansion, from its motivations and economic implications to its impact on Hyperloop technology and beyond. 2. Who is Swisspod? Founded in 2019 by two former SpaceX Hyperloop competition finalists, Dennis Tudor and Cyril Denariam, Swisspod Technologies has positioned itself as one of the most serious contenders in the global Hyperloop race. The company is focused on designing, developing, and commercializing Hyperloop systems, ultra-fast, vacuum-sealed transportation networks that aim to revolutionize travel by achieving speeds up to 760 miles per hour using levitating pods. Swisspod is unique in that it balances Swiss precision engineering with American entrepreneurial spirit. While headquartered in Lausanne, Switzerland, the company has long harbored global ambitions, particularly with its operations and R&D hub in the U.S. The Hyperloop race, a brief overview. Hyperloop technology, originally conceptualized by Elon Musk in 2013, has captured the imagination of the world. Multiple startups have sprung up, each vying to be the first to build a commercially viable Hyperloop system. Companies like Virgin Hyperloop, formerly Hyperloop One, Hard Hyperloop, and Hyperloop TT are just a few of the competitors in this high-stakes race. But while most Hyperloop ventures remain mired in testing phases or plagued by financial instability, Swisspod has taken a more sustainable and modular approach, developing compact, scalable prototypes that can evolve into full-scale systems with significantly lower infrastructure demands. Their decision to build a U.S.-based manufacturing and assembly facility is not just a business move, it's a strategic masterstroke aimed at scaling up where others have stalled. 4. Why the U.S.? Strategic motives behind Swisspod's expansion. The United States presents a unique opportunity for Hyperloop developers. Vast land area, ideal for long-range testing and future deployment of high-speed corridors. Federal and state incentives, infrastructure bills, and clean energy initiatives provide funding and tax breaks. Talent pool, access to world-class engineering and tech talent from leading U.S. universities. Market potential, a massive transportation-dependent population hungry for innovation. Swisspod's expansion into the U.S. is a calculated step toward leveraging these advantages. According to Dennis Tudor, the U.S. is where the future of Hyperloop will be built, not just tested. We're planting roots where the action is. 5. Location, location, location. Where is the new facility? Swisspod has chosen North Carolina as the home of its U.S. manufacturing and assembly hub. The decision wasn't arbitrary. North Carolina is fast becoming a magnet for clean tech and transportation innovation, thanks to its affordable land, excellent logistics infrastructure, and business-friendly policies. The facility is set in the Raleigh-Durham area, near the Research Triangle, offering proximity to major universities like Duke, UNC Chapel Hill, and NC State. This enables tight collaboration on R&D, prototyping, and talent recruitment. The site spans 100,000 plus square feet and includes state-of-the-art labs, automated assembly lines, vacuum chamber testing zones, and space for full-scale Hyperloop track modules. 6. Inside the facility, cutting-edge design and capabilities. This isn't your average factory. Swisspod's new facility combines smart manufacturing principles with Industry 4.0 technology, robotic assembly lines, reduce error rates, and accelerate pod construction. 3D printing labs, rapid prototyping of aerodynamic pod components. Digital twins, real-time data-driven simulations of system behavior and maintenance needs. AI-powered supply chain management ensures optimal inventory and logistics efficiency. High-vacuum test environments to simulate real-world operating conditions. The facility also houses a zero-emissions operations policy powered by renewable energy, making it a model of sustainable manufacturing. Job creation and economic impact. Swisspod's U.S. expansion is a win-win for the economy. The new facility is expected to create over 300 high-skilled jobs in its first year, with roles spanning mechanical and electrical engineering, materials science, robotics and automation, logistics and operations, data analysis and software development. Indirect economic impact is even greater. Contractors, local suppliers, construction crews, and service providers all benefit. Over the next 5 years, Swisspod's facility could generate more than $150 million in regional economic activity. 8. Technological advancements and innovation pipeline. Swisspod is not content with the status quo. Its U.S. facility is designed to serve as an innovation hub. The company's technology pipeline includes energy-efficient propulsion systems, cutting-edge linear electric motors, modular track designs, easier installation and lower capital expenditure, self-monitoring pods, IoT-enabled diagnostics and predictive maintenance, battery recovery systems, regenerative braking and energy recycling mechanisms. The innovation ecosystem is also enhanced by Swisspod's partnership with DARPA, NASA, and European transport agencies. 9. Collaboration with U.S. universities and research institutions. Swisspod's facility is not operating in isolation. Collaborations with U.S. universities are central to its strategy. NC State University, joint research on composite materials and magnetic levitation. MIT Hyperloop Lab, knowledge sharing and talent recruitment. University of California, Berkeley, study of urban planning integration and transit optimization. These partnerships not only boost R&D capabilities, but also funnel talent directly into the company's workforce pipeline. 10. Supply chain and logistics benefits. Being located in the U.S. offers Swisspod access to an expansive and agile supply chain, domestic sourcing, reduced dependence on international shipping, intermodal hubs, proximity to airports, rail yards, and highways, resilience, easier to weather geopolitical disruptions or import-export restrictions. Swisspod has also formed partnerships with American steel producers and electronics manufacturers to reduce costs and ensure quality. 11th, environmental sustainability and clean tech focus. Hyperloop is inherently green. It produces zero emissions, uses renewable electricity, and dramatically reduces highway congestion. But Swisspod goes further. Solar-powered manufacturing. On-site solar arrays provide 75% of the facility's power. Water recycling systems. Closed-loop processes minimize water usage. Carbon offsetting initiatives. Swisspod invests in reforestation and renewable energy projects. With climate concerns at an all-time high, this clean tech approach offers a compelling alternative to air and road transport. 12. Challenges in scaling Hyperloop manufacturing. Despite the optimism, Swisspod faces significant hurdles. Infrastructure compatibility. Existing cities aren't built for Hyperloop integration. High upfront costs. Though cheaper than high-speed rail, it's still capital-intensive. Public skepticism. Safety and viability concerns linger. Land acquisition issues. Acquiring land for long, straight corridors is legally complex. Still, Swisspod's modular, flexible systems aim to reduce these barriers and build incrementally rather than all at once. 13. Regulatory landscape and government partnerships. Navigating the regulatory terrain is a challenge, but Swisspod has made headway. Working with the U.S. Department of Transportation, DOT, compliance with the Federal Railroad Administration, FRA, state-level incentives and zoning flexibility. The company is also participating in the Hyperloop Standards Council to help define safety and operational norms. 14. The competitive edge. Swisspod versus other Hyperloop companies. Swisspod distinguishes itself in several key ways. Feature Swisspod, Virgin Hyperloop. Hyperloop modular architecture energy efficiency. Focus U.S. manufacturing hub, paused. Private plus academic ties. Regulatory integration. Its cost-efficient design and localized production model give Swisspod a decisive advantage. 15. The future of transportation and Swisspod's vision. Swisspod envisions a world where Hyperloop links cities the way highways and airways once did. Imagine a 30-minute commute from New York City to Washington, D.C., freight delivery from the Port of Los Angeles to Phoenix in under an hour, suburban sprawl replaced by hyper-connected megaregions. This isn't science fiction. It's the blueprint Swisspod is already drafting, pod by pod, track by track. 16. Conclusion. Swisspod's new U.S. facility is more than just a building. It's a bold leap toward a future many believed impossible. As Hyperloop technology inches closer to reality, Swisspod is betting big on American soil to deliver the systems, jobs, and innovations that will transform how we move.